Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to estimate cost for Google AI Studio requests. The first thing I want you to do once you are logged into your Google AI Studio dashboard, come here, click on chat, and then here on the top right, you'll be able to see the different version, right? The model you're using. So if we scroll up, this one, the knowledge cutoff was June 2025. This is the latest one. You can see the input cost, the output cost, okay, for text and for images as well. So you choose the one you want. Let's say we'll pick this one, right? And then we go and just click on it and type in any random prompt that you want. So we'll do this one. Give me a workout plan for a 25-year-old. I'll scroll down here under advanced settings. Okay. I will go ahead and adjust the output length to just 8,000 tokens. So I'll make this one to actually be the maximum. And then we'll hit run. So it's running the prompt. And here at the top, you'll be able to see how many tokens are being used. Okay. And once this has been done generating completely, I'll show you the estimation of the cost. Now here, as you can see, this one is actually done. It took about 2,077 tokens. If we hover over here, you can see that the input token cost is this much. This is just an estimation. The output token cost is this much, and this is the total cost. And that is how to estimate cost for Google AI Studio requests.